Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. So we would want to take a look at what this price will be moving for Monday, which is December 12th. So before we get started, if you have not subscribed, make sure you click on that subscribe button, like and share. So when you take a look at this WTI crude oil, last week we did analysis on this our crude oil. I told you guys that we would be expecting a bearish move, right? So Monday we saw our price opened and closed bearish. Same thing with Tuesday, we opened and closed bearish. Wednesday we open and close bearish. Same thing with Thursday, we open and close bearish. On that Thursday, right, I told you guys that we will be expecting a drop to a level of 70, right? So then price actually did not give us that level of 70 on Thursday, but we ended up making that movement to a level of 70, which we were once predicting, we were expecting. So now this price have gotten to a level of 70 now. What next do you expect this movement to be made? We expect this movement to go further up, give us like a pullback to a level of 72, 73 before it continues a bearish move. Above all, notice that have it in mind that this WTI crude oil is still bearish. This movement to 72 or 73 we are talking about is just a pullback, which is more visible on the daily 4-hour time frame, which we are going to go to the 4-hour time frame soon. But before we get to the 4-hour time frame, we would take a look at this daily time frame. When you want to place a trade, first question that will come to your mind or you will ask yourself is that what is this trend for this trade? Is it an uptrend move? Is it a downtrend move? Is it ranging? But we can say that this WTI crude oil is a downward movement. So we are seeing a lower lows and a lower highs. That is one. Second question you want to ask yourself, is this price trading below this 10 period moving average or above this moving average? So we can see that this price is trading below our moving average, which is 10 period moving average I'm using. You can use 9 if you want. You can use 10. So anyone you want. I'm using 10, and you can see that this price is below this 10 period moving average. As long as it is still below this 10 period moving average, then definitely this WTI crude oil itself is a bearish move, and we should look for it to go bearish on this WTI crude oil. So above all, we actually up the week that just finished. We saw WTI crude oil give us a bearish move. Price went bearish, no doubt about that. So on Monday that we are predicting for, we would expect a bearish move. Though it depends on how volatile the movement will be made. But I believe we would also open and close bearish. So now let's go to the 4-hour time frame to see what I'm talking about. So we're seeing a pullback. I told you guys that the price gets to level of 70, right? We should be expecting a pullback to a level of 72. So this is the level of 72 here. We should expect this WTI crude oil to get to a level of 72. Once it gets to a level of 72, we would continue our bearish move. So above all, WTI crude oil, we would expect it to actually give us a bearish move. We would expect it to actually open and close bearish on Monday, right? So have it in mind. But is this pullback over, right? That is what I'm trying to tell you, that I don't think this pullback is over. By the way, this price, we would want to still see a further drop on this WTI crude oil. So it just depends on when the price will open, right, on Monday. So above all, still expect a drop on this WTI crude oil. This price can definitely drop to level 670 again. And we would want to watch out for level 68. We want to see it, if possibly it give us a pullback to 72, then we should continue our bearish move to a level 70. If price can eventually break that level of 70, then the next level we would want to watch out for is a level 69 or 68. Above all, Monday we would be expecting a bearish move on WTI, and you can still see this price is still trading below this moving average. As long as it is still trading below this moving average, especially on our 10 period moving average, then we still consider this as a short or a bearish move. Now let's see what this 1-hour time frame says. So let's see if price will actually come and reject it. We saw that price have reacted here. I do tell you guys that once price have reacted to level previously multiple times and price gets to that same level, price definitely reacts at that same level. So you can see a price has been bouncing at this level. Now price broke below it. Price has given us a pullback, right? We should be expecting a drop on this WTI crude, but I think it will actually move up to a level 70, 72. Watch out for a level 72 0.00. So watch out, I'm telling you guys, a level of 72.00. So that will be around here. So we still have about, let's say, 28 to 30. Is it 30 pips or 30, 32 pips, 30 points, or pips? I don't know how you call it on WTI, but we still have tiny a little bit of a bullish move. Let's see if it will get to a level of 72 by 00, then you can now see a continuous drop on this WTI crude oil for the day.